Yahoo is a web services provider. Launched in 1995, it's one of the oldest names on the internet and consistently one of the most popular websites. Yahoo offers services such as a web search engine and an email service. Besides being a portal and search engine, Yahoo offers several other services as well. Some of these services include Yahoo Finance, Yahoo Shopping, Yahoo Games, Yahoo Travel, Yahoo Mail, Yahoo Maps, etc. It was one of the most popular search engines and web services provider in 1990s. But it didn't get long-lasting. Yahoo was losing its grip from 2001 when the dot-com bubble burst has reached all-time low of $8.11. Many of you don't know about dot-com bubble. The dot-com bubble, also referred to as the internet bubble, refers to the period between 1995 and 2000 when investors pumped money into internet-based startups in the hopes that these fledgling companies would soon turn a profit. Around 2010, Yahoo was complete out of the track and Google was the leading search engine. Many of the people don't know what was the reason for the failure of Yahoo. In this video, I am going to tell about this thing. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon for latest update. Reason number 1: wrong focus. Yahoo had been more business-oriented instead of focusing on providing a quality user experience. It had extensive advertisements and seemed to change its user interface pretty often. It became a little difficult for its users to become accustomed to new user interfaces so frequently. Reason number 2: missed opportunity. Yahoo had been unable to foresee future trends and had missed out on some big opportunities back in the day. These included refusal to acquire Google, failure to acquire Facebook, failure to merge with Microsoft, several unsuccessful acquisitions. Let's talk briefly in this all topic. Yahoo refused to buy Google. In 1998, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, the founders of Google, had approached Yahoo to sell Google for $1 million since they wanted to continue their studies further. However, Yahoo refused the offer, but was that it? No, in 2002 Google became way more valuable and Yahoo CEO Terry Samuel realized its true potential. So Yahoo offered a $3 billion deal to the founders of Google. Knowing the true worth and potentials of Google, they refused to sell it for $3 billion and asked for sealing the deal for $5 billion. However, Yahoo turned down the offer again. Unsuccessful attempt to buy Facebook. At a time when Google had already come a long way in the world of online search, the new trend in vogue was that of social networking. In July 2006, Yahoo attempted to acquire Facebook for $1.1 billion. However, the deal didn't work out and a failed bid to buy Facebook got added to the list of missed opportunities Yahoo missed back then. Failure to merge with Microsoft. In 2008, Microsoft approached Yahoo with an offer of $44.6 billion. However, Jerry Yang balked at the offer. The repeated offer rejections were because Yahoo felt it was being undervalued. However, it doesn't seem so anymore after considering its $4.48 billion acquisition deal with Verizon in 2017. Unsuccessful acquisitions. Yahoo invested a lot of money in acquiring companies like Broadcast.com, GeoCities, Flickr, Right Media, Overture Services, Inc., and Tumblr, all decisions leading it one step down the hill. These were the missed opportunities by the Yahoo. If Yahoo accept any of these opportunity, one think we will still use the Yahoo. Not only this, there were other reason for failure. Reason number 3: lack of futuristic vision. Lack of foresightness can be considered one of the main reasons things turned out this way for Yahoo. It failed to estimate rightly where to invest and how to head forward and keep up with the ever-changing trends and advancing technology. It lacked talented and skilled people with a strategic vision for the future. Reason number 4: putting wrong people at the helms of affairs. One of Yahoo's major failures is hiring the wrong CEOs. There is a saying that goes thus: an army of sheep led by a lion will defeat an army of lion led by a sheep. Yahoo has repeatedly hired the wrong CEOs. None of the CEOs at Yahoo, including Marissa Mayer, had a strategic vision that could match what Eric Schmidt at Google brought. Some even blame Marissa Mayer entirely for the wrong decisions. Reason number 5: 500 million users data breach and frequent server crashes. Yahoo has faced two major data breaches, one of them being the largest one on the record. In 2016, it reported a data breach of over 500 million user accounts in 2014. In December 2016, it also reported another data breach that occurred around 2013 in which hackers impacted about 3 billion of its user accounts. Yahoo also faced frequent server crashes even during a time when it was at its zenith. This reduced the quality of user experience and gave users an incentive to switch to other efficient emerging alternatives that were coming up then. These were the top 5 reasons for the failure of Yahoo. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.